Welcome back to Talk to Me Tuesdays, okay? So listen, I'm gonna talk to y'all real quick. Have a seat, okay? For those of you that ain't submit y'all's questions, comments, or concerns, make sure y'all start sending y'all's questions, comments, and concerns, because that's what Talk to Me Tuesday is all about. But I'm gonna talk to y'all real quick about the importance of being intentional, calming yourself down, and breathing, okay? And not just in high pressure situations. In any situation that you're going through, you have to teach your body that you are safe. Okay, so for instance, for example, I used to tense up when I started to think about money. And I'm like, why my body just get tense? Like somebody used to mention a large sum of money, and I would be like, ooh. And then my body would just freeze up. It used to get super tight. Like I could feel it. Like my whole energy changed. And the reason for that is because every time I thought about money, the association, the emotional and physical association that I had tied to money was to run, or to not think about it, or to think that there's not enough. It was always just something negative, okay? But then I started to, I used to intentionally start talking about money or doing things with money, and even spending money, even if it's like $10, $15, my body used to tighten up. And I used to have to tell myself, you're about to spend $50 on X, Y, and Z. Or you're about to invest $50 on X, Y, and Z. You are in overflow. There is an abundance of money. As long as money is circulating and currency is moving, you will always have enough. And I used to have to tell myself that. But not only tell myself that, feel that calmness and emotion. And I used to have to breathe through it. Like y'all think I might be joking. Before I paid a bill, I used to have to breathe through it like, it's okay. Whatever you put out has to come back, because that's the currency. Currency is always in motion. You make an investment, it's a good investment, it's going to come back. And I used to have to calm myself down and be like, it is okay. So whatever is going on, whatever you're experiencing, calm yourself down, breathe through it. Tell yourself you are safe right now. There's no need to panic. You're okay, you're safe. And over time, you'll start to get more relaxed and tense. Now I can spend some money in a heartbeat and not even think about it, not even blink, okay? I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because I be spending sometimes. So I be having to tell myself, you safe, but pump the brakes a little bit. But it took time for me to have to get there. I didn't always used to be there. So I need you guys, comment down in the comment section. What do you need to remind yourself about through your breath, that it's okay? Breathe in. I'm good. I'm even better. Okay? That's what you need to do. Peace.